Nice addition to hands. LaRon Council, there he goes. Inside the 10. And congratulations to LaRon Council. He has surpassed 1,000 rushing yards in a... And the crowd rising to their feet here at the Rush Center. He is going to be presented with the game football. Already in this first half. First down and 10 from their own 22. LaRon Council finds a gap. There he goes. One man to beat. He will fire in the end zone. Touchdown for the Green Bay Blizzard.
Green Bay. And they back to the ground game. Council touchdown. Green Bay.
Hardy's the only receiver in motion. LaRon Council looking to find a gap. There's the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay. Split back LaRon Council. First down to the Bloomington 20. LaRon Council changes direction. What an effort. What a score! Flags fly in. Touchdown for the Green Bay Blizzard. Question. LaRon Council, his 5th rushing touchdown of the game. Nothing but good stuff coming out of that Blizzard locker room. A Blizzard touchdown. LaRon Council, his 3rd rushing touchdown of the game. Council with a split back, gets the handoff across the end zone. Touchdown! LaRon Council and the Green Bay Blizzard.
Side, John Hallman will be split in the slot. He'll go in motion. Also there, Tardy to the right side. They'll give it off to Council into the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay! As the Blizzard come right back, and they're 1 point away from tying this game.
Blizzard.
Will work in shotgun formation, high snap. Here's the blitz, dumps it off to the right side, gets it to Council. A booter to tackle, got into the end zone. Oh, they're going to save it. Give it off there to Council, gets behind his block, takes it into the end zone, touchdown Green Bay.
On third down, Council breaking free, there he goes, and LaRon Council's fifth rushing touchdown of the game, tying his own single game record set last week. Nice formation. Council, fourth rushing touchdown of the game. And he ties the franchise record for rushing touchdowns in a game with 4. Touchdown for the Blizzard.